In this video we're going to look at this particular question that was on your question sheet, and we're looking for the value of k that I've highlighted there. And that value of k we can calculate using the theory of Pythagoras, and the way we do that is we're essentially cutting this trapezium into so that we have a triangle to the right and we've got this rectangle to the left. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the base, or the length of this base of this triangle, subtract that from 30 centimeters, and that'll get us the length of k. So what we've essentially got is we've got ourselves a right angle triangle at the end of this trapezium, where the hypotenuse is 22 centimeters and the height is 20 centimeters, and we are trying to find the base of that triangle, the length of that base. Now we've got the hypotenuse and we've got one of the short sides, and we're trying to find the other short side, so that means we're going to use the minus form of the equation. So we're going to set out our equation so that x squared is equal to the length of the hypotenuse, which in this case is 22 centimeters, and then we're going to subtract the length of the short side, which in this case is 20 centimeters, and we end up with the start of our equation, which looks like this. Now if we carry on with our equation, 22 squared, so we're going to square root everything here, but 22 squared as it works out is equal to 484, and 20 squared is equal to 400. So therefore, when we go into our next line of working, we end up with the square root of 84, which ends out, if we work that out in our calculator, and we wanted it to 2 decimal places, would equal 9.17 centimeters. So what that's telling us is that the length of this base of the triangle is 9.17 centimeters. Now that's not the end of the question, because what we actually wanted to know is what is the length of k. So therefore the length of k is equal to the length of the base of the trapezium, which is 30 centimeters, minus the length of the triangle part of the trapezium, which was 9.1 centimeters. So therefore when we work out k, we subtract those away. K would equal the difference between those two, which is 20.83 centimeters.